Hi friends, my name is Kat and I am so excited to invite you into the beautiful world of Kintsugi. Kintsugi is the art of mending broken ceramics using gold and other metallics. It's an ancient Japanese art form that was passed down through families and recently has become popularized. A lot more people are discovering what it is and how beautiful and therapeutic it can be. It's so wonderful to think that when something precious breaks, you can transform it into something that becomes even more beautiful, more valuable, and more personal to you because you can mend it and it now has a story to tell. And that is why I would love to invite you into a workshop with me. I'll be showing you how to mend your own broken pieces. It'll be a 3-hour workshop. I will send you a Kintsugi Academy kit, which is a very special kit with very special lacquer. This lacquer is much safer and only takes a few hours or a few days to dry and completely finish. If you're interested in signing up, there are details below, so I look forward to seeing you.